subject database management system. Okay, the paper code is DSc-12A. What is now in this subject you are going to learn database management system. Okay, in your first unit you are going to learn introduction to database management system. Now the question will arise, what is database? Okay, database means we are going to arrange our data in systematic manner using computer machine. Okay, now in this unit you are going to learn characteristics of database approach. Okay, why you are using database? Okay, this is you are going to learn in database approaches. There are multiple characteristics which you are going to learn. Okay, now next will be a data model. Okay, what is data model? Okay, it shows the logical structure of database. When you are selecting a data model, it's also a matter of aligning your priorities for the database with the strength of the particular model. Okay, which depend on model, which depend on data. You are going to choose which model you will, that particular model will work out on that. Okay, but when that priorities will include speed, cost, and reduction, usability. Okay, speed, how fast you can withdraw the particular information. Next will be a cost reduction, how the particular system will be deduct the cost, and the usability, how much you will use the particular data model, and you will get the proper information from that collective information. Okay, this is you are going to learn in data model. Okay, now in that there are some types: hierarchical, network, relational. Okay, these types you are going to learn in data model. Now schema and instances. Okay, schema, there are some rules, some instances which you are going to learn in this point. Okay, DBMS architecture, this is the architecture of DBMS or database management system, how it will work out, you are going to learn in DBMS architecture. Okay, there are database architecture uses programming languages, okay, to design a particular type of software for business or organizations. Okay, everyone knows there are some type of programming languages which we are going to use to particular information how you will withdraw. Okay, database architecture focuses on the design, development, implementation, and maintenance of computer programs that store and organization information for businesses, agencies, and institutions. If you seen somewhere there are particular softwares they are using, the same softwares are used for maintaining the database and withdraw the proper information which you want. Okay, that you use in businesses, agencies, institutions. Okay, multiple colleges also use this information. Okay, now the second, okay, there are some types of architecture. Okay, the schema architecture, internal, conceptual, external. Okay, these are the levels in a architecture. Okay, data independence, there are also data independence for logical, physical view. Okay, we are going to learn in this point. Now your second unit will be a entity relationship and enhanced ER modeling. Okay, now what is a entity? The entity in DBMS can be object with an existence. Okay, in a real world we can call as object with an existence. We can see an example we are taking example of our college. Okay, in a college or every college database, the entities can be professors, students, courses, etc. like this. These are the entity. Understood? What is the entity? The attribute values get stored in the database. Okay, the attributes, okay, with the professor, student, courses, departments. Okay, these are the entity which we called, and we are going to these entities, we are checking the relationship of these entities to whom. Okay, who belong these entities, we are going to learn in this entity relationship. Okay, in that you are going to learn domain, attribute, tuples, relations. Okay, this is the entity. Okay, in entity or in database we are going to learn on a tables. Okay, in a table there are the combination of rows and columns. Okay, that same information comes in a entity. Okay, then entity relationship, there are some entity relation: one to one, one to many, many to one, many. Okay, these are the relationship we will learn. Okay, now what is a SQL 99. Okay, in SQL 99 there are some built-in data types which we are going to learn. Okay, what is a data type? We will learn deeply in our point SQL 99. Okay, now schema definition. What is a schema? Okay, schema refers to organization of data, how the database is constructed. Means every organization will give us multiple types of data. Okay, and what type of database they want depend on that particular model that comes with a schema definition. First we have to analyze which type of schema they want, and that from that information we will construct the database. Okay, this will be a schema definition. Now next, constraint. Okay, there are constraint, which are the constraint: domain, integrity, entity, referential, and concept of object model. Now first, what is a constraint? Okay, constraint are the rules enforced on the data columns of our tables. Constraint, simply we can say these are the some rules, inbuilt rules which we are enforcing on the particular information. These are used to limit the type of data that can go into a table. Okay, if what type of data means, if we are storing number, then it is a one data type. If we are storing alphabetical information, then there is a another data type. This type of data type we are going to store in a single column. Okay, this ensures the accuracy and reliability of the data in the database. Okay, this is called your nothing but your syllabus, which we are going to discuss in our further lectures. Okay, there are some reference books you can search on online, or you will get that particular books from our library. Okay, thank you.